Hi, I'm Jane. I love to garden. I got a couple very overgrown autumn joy sedum. Come along. I got 2 overgrown sedums for a really great deal at Kawara's. Every time I say that nursery, I say the name wrong, and I say it different every time. But I'm okay that they're overgrown because I'm going to snap pieces off of them, pot them up, get them to root, and then in a couple weeks, I'm going to put them all over my yard. Hi, I'm back to this project. So I got an overgrown autumn joy sedum that's kind of funky, going all different directions. So I know I've showed you before what to do with some sedums in the past, but I'm going to do it again. I just take little pieces off of this and I put it all over around my yard and it roots on its own. And we're getting a lot cooler, so it's easier for it to root than it was in July. So let me show you. Okay, I'm over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take and snip off almost all of these, and then I'll plant the actual plant, and then all the pieces that I've snipped off, I mean you can even just tear off, these will go in the ground all around my yard. And you just stick it in the ground. I was trying to decide if I wanted to pot them up, but our weather's getting a lot cooler than it was, so I might be fine just to put them out. So how about I do half and half? I put some in pots, or just a few in pots with some soil, root them in the shade, and then others I'm just going to stick right into the ground. So I just took some dirt with some wood chips from my yard, and then I'm just going to take and stick it in. So I am taking some of the lower leaves off. That's all I do. Okay, so just kind of put your hand in there. Take out that lower one too. Doing this with my left. And then I'm just going to kind of push it in there. I'll do one more right here. So I'll just take another piece. Let's do this little one right here. And then we're going to take off some of these lower leaves. Okay, I'm going to put my hand in there, and then I'll just stick it way in as deep as I can get it. It's kind of a wood chip in the way. There we go. And then I will just water these. I'll keep them over here by some other cuttings I'm doing that need to be watered. I need to water these. Those are cuttings. So let me do that about 1,000,000 times. And then I will put some in the ground too. Be right back. So now I'm going to plant this sedum plant right here where it's nice and dry. Needs a lot of water, so I got to water it anyway. So I'm going to put it right there next to this other beautiful one. Super dry spot. The sedum will be happy. Very root bound. Oh my goodness. Very dry and root bound. It'll be fine. We just got to get it some water. Maybe dig a little deeper here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go get a whole bunch more wood chips and just totally cover almost with wood chips. This corner right behind me is super dry, so I took some chunks of sedum, some sedum cuttings, and I'm going to plant them behind me. So it's over here by the meter, and it's pretty dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of spread these out, make a hole, dig in, bury. I have some more chunks of sedum, and I'm going to put it in the bed behind me against the sidewalk. A gopher mound. Oh, I'm upset. Could use a couple more down this side, so I'm gonna go get 4 more chunks. So I only have this many more to do, and look how many I got done today. I just got to get them nice and watered. Those are going to be peas. So I hope you enjoyed how I took a giant sedum bush and cut it down into little pieces to make cuttings. And I put them all over my yard, and if they're rooting in pots, I will move them in the fall, a couple more weeks. But that was fun. We'll see you later. Bye.